I just had to let you know you're.
Good day everyone, today we will find I and V. We are using Kirchhoff's law and variable separable. First, we will analyze where is our loop. So we will use this one as our loop 1, and this one for our loop 2. In our KCL, we only have one equation. And on our KVL, we have two equations. Our loop 1 and loop 2. First, we're going to solve our KVL at loop 1. So, solution, KVL at loop 1, 36 minus 6i minus q over 1/8 is equal to 0. Or you're going back, negative 8q minus 6i is equal to negative 36. When you solve it, we will get 8q plus 6i is equal to 36. Now, this is your first equation. In KVL at loop 2, first is 36 minus 6i minus 12a is equal to, or you're going back to your starting point. Now, you transpose it to negative 12a minus 6i is equal to negative 36. Now, this is your second equation. Now, we will get our KCL. So, I is equal to IC plus A. You will substitute that one into A is equal to I negative derivative of Q all over dt, and that's your third equation. Cancel that one. Now we will substitute so we'll solve it, and 12i minus derivative of q with respect to t close plus 6i is equal to 36. So we solve it into 12i minus 12 dq all over dt plus 6i is equal to 36. So we'll get this 18i is equal to 12 dq all over dt plus 36. Now our final answer is I is equal to 12 over 18 dq all over dt plus 2, and this is your equation 4. Now we will substitute equation 4 to 1 in order for us to get our first order differential equation. So 8q plus 6 to close 12 all over 18 dq over dt plus 2 close parenthesis is equal to 36. Next, if we solve it, we will get 4 dq over dt plus 8q is equal to 24. If we will arrange it, we will get, or solve it, we will get dq all over dt plus 2q is equal to 6. Now, this is your first order differential equation.
Now, we are using variable separable. Starting with our equation, derivative of q with respect to t is equal to 6 minus 2q. We separate the variables and we move the q terms to the left and to the right and giving us this equation. By integrating both sides, we get the ln of 6 minus 2q is equal to negative 2t plus a constant of c. After that, ln 6 minus 2q negative 2t plus c. To solve for q, we exponentiate both sides, which simplify our equation to q minus 3t plus c2e negative 2t with a constant of c. Since v at time 0 is equal to negative 6 and v is equal to 8q, we find that q at time 0 is negative 0.75. At time is equal to 4q, negative 6 over 8 at constant c. Now, negative 6 over 8 is equal to 3 plus c2 and negative 2. We calculate our constant c2 to be negative 3.75. This gives us our final solution.
Sir, tapos na po.